Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and remove photos from iCloud but keep on iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings. And once you've done that, tap on your profile icon just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on iCloud. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and turn off the iCloud sync. You can click on backup and then you can turn all of these off. And what this will do is from now, it is not going to go ahead and sync any of the photos to iCloud, but it will still keep it on phone. So it is as simple as that. But if you want to go ahead and delete it from your iCloud completely, what you need to do is go ahead and open a browser, go to iCloud.com, and then you can delete it from there. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.